All right, hey guys, listen, this is kind of an emergency flash sale type thing here. As you know, I am an affiliate for EMP Shield. Now, before you go scrolling off, listen to what I have to say first, because there are significant savings that are being offered during the next 72 hours. I am an affiliate. This is the perk that I'm trying to sell you something, but you need to listen because everybody wants one of these things, but they're really expensive. And now in the next 72 hours, they've made them so that they're actually kind of affordable. So listen, let me switch screens for you real quick. This is the actual email that just came into me 44 minutes ago. It's from EMP Shield. Sorry about that. Cough, day 20, COVID. Thank you very much. Anyway, special discounts for our customers and subscribers. 50% off any EMP Shield, $50 off any EMP Shield. This is significant by itself, but it gets better than it. I want to personally thank you for your support in 2022 and the first months of 2023. To thank you, we'd like to offer a special discount that only will be available to your customers and subscribers. Let's see, $50 off the product. This discount can be combined. Frosty, pay attention. This discount can be combined with other coupons, which means you can potentially save up to $100 per unit. To get your discount and have the savings activated automatically, add your order, click here button. Discounts will be shown automatically in the cart below total after items are added to cart. So basically, there's a lot of automatic stuff going on here, but I'm going to show you what you need to do, okay? Please be sure to take advantage of the discount codes. It will be taken down in the next 72 hours. Andrew Buchan, owner, director of sales, EMP Shield. All right, so if we click the discounts to cart, you're going to come to this screen right here. Hopefully I'm not too far ahead. Don't worry about this. This is simple stuff. You can either use the Get EMP Protection or you can use the shop button. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go right to the vehicle protection. It would literally take us to both places, all right? They're in the process. They have a brand new model that's right here, so if you want to get that one. If not, you have the older model. It's a little bit less expensive, but it's the same exact device. It's just a little bit larger. In fact, it's about this big. I have one in a box right behind me I need to install. So I'm going to click on that one right there. And I'm not sure exactly which one's going to pop up. Okay, so we automatically just had like something taken off. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add it to cart. And hopefully my cart isn't still full from when I was testing this out. So we're just going to go to one of these items. All right, so now the cart is at $289, and the cart's at $289 because of the coupon that I have added. Let's just go to cart so you can see what I'm talking about. And look at there. I'm going to go ahead and remove that so you can see that it actually does work. All right, so automatically they've just knocked you down to $389 for this device, right? Well, let's just go ahead and apply a coupon. Let's see here. I should put something in there first. And there's the old local prepper, all one word, all capitals. Boom. We're going to go ahead and kick that in there. And look what happens. Now the device isn't only $289, guys. So, like I said, flash sale. If this is what you've been trying to get, it's the opportunity to save a lot of cash. Throwing it out there. I'll put a link down below. You guys can figure out what you want to do. But once again, you've got 72 hours. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I shall see you when I see you. And happy shopping. Bye-bye.